Hey, what is the real reason why you're not making enough sales in your business? Hi, my name is Regitze. I make these little videos around business every day. So if you like content like this, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with a friend and comment below. But let's jump into it. What is the real reason why you're not making enough sales in your business? Well, let me ask you this. How long have you been doing business? Maybe a couple of months, maybe a couple of years. And think about another area of your life, maybe a job or a hobby, something that you're really good at. How long did it take you to be where you're at in those areas of life? Maybe several years and probably a lot of hours. And that's the thing. There's a saying that goes that you have to put in at least 10,000 hours of anything to be a master at it. So chances are, if you didn't put in 10,000 hours in your business yet, maybe that's why you're not a master at it. So just keep going, and as long as you don't give up, you will get there. When I think about my life, I've been a nurse for over 15 years, and I also have a hobby riding horses, and I've been doing that for over 30 years. And it took me so long to be at the levels where I'm at now with nursing and with riding horses. So of course it will also take time to be an expert at business. So just keep going, and you will get there. Comment below how many hours you put into your business now and how successful you are. And don't forget to like, follow and subscribe and share it with a friend. Take care. Bye.